Are you trying to pick between Cursor AI and Windsurf AI for your next coding project? These are two of the most powerful AI IDEs out there, but they take very different approaches to AI-assisted development. I'm Sarah from Next AI Vault, and in this video, we'll break down how these tools stack up across features, workflow, performance, and real-world use. Let's start with their foundations. Both Cursor AI and Windsurf AI are forks of Visual Studio Code, so they feel familiar right out of the box. But their missions differ. Cursor positions itself as a smart, AI-enhanced code editor, while Windsurf aims to reimagine the coding experience entirely, blending traditional dev tools with Agentic AI that thinks more like a coding partner than a plugin. Here's where their philosophies really diverge. Cursor uses AI to improve the coding experience, streamlining edits and offering chat-based suggestions. Windsurf, on the other hand, is built around preserving developer flow. It reduces context switching with inline commands, an AI terminal, and even lets you generate code with natural instructions in place without ever needing to leave your cursor. Both tools understand the context of your codebase. But Windsurf seems to excel in multi-file reasoning. It can follow chains of logic across modules, debug complex flows, and make autonomous changes that stay in sync. Some developers even say it outperforms Cursor in understanding larger, more complex code bases. Agentic AI is where Windsurf is pulling ahead. While Cursor includes smart edits and a chat interface, Windsurf features autonomous agents that can make decisions, debug, and iterate on your code with minimal input. It's like having an AI code developer that acts, not just reacts. Reports suggest Windsurf may offer better value, with more generous usage limits and faster response times, especially on large code bases. Cursor has premium pricing tiers, and while it's powerful, some users have noted occasional lags during big queries or full codebase searches. In May 2025, OpenAI reportedly reached a $3 billion agreement to acquire Windsurf AI, formerly known as Codium. That's huge. It signals OpenAI's intent to double down on AI coding tools and compete more directly with GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Anthropic's offerings. Interestingly, OpenAI had earlier tried to buy Cursor, but that deal fell through over valuation disagreements. So here's the bottom line. If you want a reliable AI-powered editor with a VS Code feel, Cursor is a strong choice. But if you're tackling complex projects and want AI that feels like a true collaborator, Windsurf might be the future. Its agentic capabilities, project-wide understanding, and developer flow focus make it especially powerful. And with OpenAI behind it now, we can expect even faster evolution. Which one's your pick? Cursor or Windsurf? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more in-depth reviews of AI coding tools, don't forget to subscribe to Next AI Vault. See you in the next video.